Welcome to the channel. I'm Lavi Seasons, and today we're diving into morning habits that can quickly and effectively boost your testosterone. Testosterone isn't just about muscle or libido, it drives energy, mood, motivation, and overall vitality. Low testosterone can leave you feeling less than your best, but you have more control than you think, starting with your morning routine. The first hours after waking set the tone for your hormones all day. By adopting targeted habits, you can trigger a powerful hormonal cascade that supports optimal testosterone. We'll break down 7 science-backed morning habits, grounded in research and biology, that you can start tomorrow. My goal: give you a zero-cost, high-impact toolkit to take control of your health and well-being. The first step each morning? Before you even reach for your phone or think about coffee, set your intention to greet the day with purpose. Get direct sunlight in your eyes as soon as possible after waking up. Morning sunlight anchors your circadian rhythm, the master clock that controls hormone release, including testosterone and cortisol, which are vital for energy and motivation. When sunlight hits your eyes, it signals your brain to start the day, suppresses melatonin, and triggers a healthy cortisol pulse that helps you feel awake and alert. This early cortisol peak is essential for alertness and sets the stage for optimal testosterone production, supporting muscle growth, mood, and overall vitality. Testosterone naturally peaks in the morning, and sunlight reinforces this rhythm, helping you feel more focused and driven throughout the day. The light signal travels from your eyes to your brain, then to your endocrine system, prompting hormone production and setting your body's internal clock. Aim for 10-15 minutes of outdoor light within the first hour of waking. Longer if it's cloudy or you're behind glass, since windows filter out some beneficial wavelengths. Skip sunglasses, let the ambient light do the work. But don't stare directly at the sun. Even on overcast days, natural light is powerful. If you can't get outside, a high-quality light box is a backup, but natural sunlight is always best for your body and mind. Think of this as a non-negotiable appointment for your hormonal health. Schedule it like you would any important meeting. Missing morning light leaves your biological clock uncalibrated, blunting your cortisol and testosterone rhythms and making it harder to feel energized. This single habit is the foundation for all others, fueling your energy, focus, and motivation for the day ahead. If you only do one thing, make it this: anchor your circadian rhythm with morning sunlight, and watch how your days transform. It's free, simple, and pays dividends for your mood, sleep, and hormones. Benefits that compound over time. Start your day with light, and your body will thank you with better energy, sharper focus, and improved well-being. This is the most fundamental step for your physiological and psychological well-being. Don't skip it. Make it your daily ritual. After sunlight, leverage short, high-intensity exercise to boost testosterone and kickstart your metabolism for the day ahead. Forget long gym sessions. 10 to 20 minutes of intense movement is all you need to see real benefits, especially first thing in the morning. Intense exercise signals your body to release luteinizing hormone, which tells your testes to make testosterone, the key hormone for energy, drive, and muscle growth. It also improves insulin sensitivity, creating a metabolic environment that supports healthy hormones and helps your body use fuel more efficiently. Try a Tabata workout. 20 seconds all-out effort, 10 seconds rest, repeated for 4 minutes. This method is simple, effective, and can be done anywhere. Or do a circuit, jumping jacks, push-ups, and other bodyweight moves to get your heart rate up quickly. Add in squats, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and repeat 3-4 times for a powerful, time-efficient workout. The key is intensity. Push yourself to the edge of your comfort zone, where you feel challenged but not overwhelmed. Avoid long, unfueled endurance sessions in the morning, which can spike cortisol and suppress testosterone, leaving you drained instead of energized. This short, intense protocol gives you a sharp hormonal boost without prolonged stress, setting a positive tone for your day. It also enhances alertness, focus, and motivation for the day, helping you tackle tasks with more energy and clarity. High intensity is relative. Fast walking up a hill counts if you're just starting, and every bit of effort adds up over time. The principle: challenge your system briefly, then recover, allowing your body to adapt and improve. This acute stress tells your body to adapt and grow stronger, both physically and mentally. You're not just boosting testosterone, you're priming your brain and body for high performance, resilience, and confidence. Make this a morning ritual and feel the difference in your mood, energy, and productivity. Start small, but stay consistent. Over time, these short bursts of effort will transform your mornings and your life. Next, fuel your body with a protein-rich breakfast to set the tone for your entire day. What you eat first thing in the morning can have a profound impact on your energy, mood, and hormone levels. Hormones like testosterone are built from dietary protein and healthy fats. Don't skip them. These nutrients are essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Eggs, avocados, nuts, seeds, and full-fat Greek yogurt are excellent choices. These foods provide a powerful combination of protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients to jumpstart your metabolism. Avoid low-fat diets. Your endocrine system needs healthy fats to function. Healthy fats support hormone synthesis and help keep you feeling satisfied longer. Protein after exercise helps manage cortisol and provides amino acids for muscle repair. This is especially important if you're active or looking to build lean muscle. A high-protein meal stabilizes blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes that disrupt hormone balance. Stable blood sugar also means fewer cravings and more consistent energy throughout the morning. Aim for 30-40 grams of quality protein. Think eggs with avocado, a protein shake with nut butter, or Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. These options are both delicious and nourishing. Eat within 1-2 hours of your workout to maximize nutrient use and support muscle recovery. Timing your breakfast right can make a big difference in how you feel. Skip sugary cereals and pastries. They spike blood sugar and sabotage your hormones. Instead, choose whole foods that nourish your body and mind. Think of breakfast as a strategic intervention for your hormones. It's your opportunity to give your body what it truly needs to thrive. Provide your body with the right building blocks, and it will reward you with energy and focus. A nourishing breakfast can set you up for a productive, vibrant day. Don't skip breakfast and don't start with sugar. Prioritize real whole foods to support your health from the very first meal. Make your first meal count. It's the foundation for balanced hormones, steady energy, and a successful day ahead. Now let's talk about cold showers, a powerful way to wake up your body and hormones. Cold exposure triggers a surge of norepinephrine and dopamine, boosting alertness, mood, and possibly testosterone. Brief cold showers may also support healthy testicular function and hormone synthesis. Start with 15-30 seconds of cold at the end of your shower, working up to 1-3 minutes. The goal, uncomfortably cold, but safe and controlled. Embrace the discomfort. This builds mental resilience and discipline. Cold exposure isn't about hypothermia. Keep it brief and consult your doctor if you have health concerns. The direct testosterone spike may be modest, but the cumulative benefits are real. Better mood, focus, and hormonal environment. It's a jolt to your system that signals it's time to perform. You're training your brain and body to handle stress and thrive. Make cold showers a morning challenge. The psychological boost alone is worth it. Try it and notice the difference. Managing stress is crucial. Chronic cortisol suppresses testosterone. A short morning breathing practice can reset your nervous system and support hormone balance. Try the physiological side double inhale through the nose, long exhale through the mouth. Repeat 1-3 times or use box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. These techniques shift you from fight or flight to rest and digest, lowering stress and protecting testosterone. Just a few minutes of mindful breathing calms your brain, reduces anxiety, and sets a focused tone for the day. You don't need to empty your mind, just pay attention to your breath. This simple habit helps keep cortisol in check and preserves your hormonal resources. Make it part of your morning routine. Stress is constant, but your response is in your control. Breathe, reset, and start strong. Don't reach for your phone first thing. It hijacks your dopamine and primes you for distraction and stress. Early phone use floods your brain with notifications and novelty, draining your motivation and focus. It activates your stress response, elevating cortisol and undermining testosterone. Protect the first 60-90 minutes of your day as a phone-free zone. Let your brain wake up naturally and set your own agenda. Leave your phone in another room and use a traditional alarm clock. Complete your morning habits: light exercise, hydration, breathing before checking your phone. This primes your neurochemistry for proactive, focused work. Technology is a tool. Use it on your terms, not as a reflex. Think of your morning motivation as a full tank. Don't waste it on notifications. Protect your focus, mood, and hormones by delaying digital input. Start your day with intention, not distraction. Your brain and body will thank you. Hydration is fundamental. Start your day with water, not coffee. After a night without fluids, your body is dehydrated, which impairs hormone transport and increases stress. Drink 1632 ounces, 501,000 milliliters of water within the first hour of waking. Add a pinch of sea salt or electrolytes to replenish what you lost overnight. Hydration supports every cell and hormone in your body. Delay caffeine for 90-120 minutes after waking to avoid compounding your natural cortisol peak. Coffee on an empty, dehydrated stomach can spike cortisol and cause jitters. When you hydrate first, you'll feel more alert and get more from your coffee later. Think of water as turning on the power to your biological factory. Don't run your system on empty. Make water your first action every morning. It's a simple act with massive benefits for your hormones and energy. Hydrate, then caffeinate. There you have it, 7 actionable morning habits to boost your testosterone and overall health. Anchor your circadian rhythm with sunlight, move intensely, eat a protein-rich breakfast, embrace cold exposure, manage stress with mindful breathing, delay your phone, and hydrate before caffeine. Each habit works on a different biological pathway, but together they create a powerful, synergistic effect. You don't have to do all 7 at once. Start with 2 or 3, and build from there. Notice your energy, mood, and focus improve. Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science-based health tips. Thanks for watching and investing in your well-being.